Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome back to Fly with MKZ. My name is Reza, and today it's cloudy weather, a little bit rainy, but we fly. So, good morning from Essen Mulheim International, they call it. So today is a great weather. It's a little bit windy, but everything is according to the plan. I'm flying after a couple of weeks, so I'm so excited. Yeah, I fly with one of my colleagues and friends, so let's see what will happen. Outside check is completed. We don't need fuel, so that saves time. I'm waiting for my colleague to show up. I'm flying with 2-seat Cessna 152. It's amazing aircraft for training. For fun flight, I don't know. I'm not sure. But I'm so happy I can fly after a couple of weeks because it was rainy, it was bad weather, and every time the weather was good, I had to work. So, yeah, let's run, taxi to the stand and wait for my colleague and check the weather there because I have to be sure we are in a limit. This aircraft is able to fly maximum 12 knot crosswind, so yeah, let's see what will happen. And I can say the wind is picking up. So, flight control. Check. Proper clear! Okay, engine start, brake set, mixture, reach, left clear, right clear, proper clear, proper clear. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, hörst du mich?
Ja, auf meiner Seite.
Auf einer Seite?
Ja.
Das geht, oder?
Warte. Ja, wir sind Lautstärkeregler dran.
Ah, okay.
So, jetzt ist alles gut.
Delta Fox November Exhilarating, guten Morgen. Cessna 152, 2 person on board. VFR local flight, request for departure information. Delta November X-ray, runway use 24 and QNH Düsseldorf 1028. Thank you so much. So, alles gut bei dir?
Ja.
Soweit so gut?
Soweit so gut.
Oh, freut mich.
Ist das hier vorne für eine Halle, diese Kuppel?
Ja, das ist die Zeppelin-Halle.
Oh, okay.
Eine Sparkasse, große, die immer in Düsseldorf und so übernachtet hier.
Okay.
Okay, we depart on runway 24 and VR will be 55, VY 70 knot. We have a bit cloud and moisture here, so I would turn on pilot heat after takeoff. We climb to 1400, join right traffic pattern, and if it's possible, I will leave traffic pattern to the south and do our things. In case of emergency, if any malfunction happens, stop, open the throttle, and if it was necessary, apply the brake. Otherwise, taxi to the runway. Delta Fox November X holding short runway 24, line up and takeoff. Okay, gusting. We have to be careful. Okay, ready?
Yep.
4, 2, 4. Okay, cool. So, speed set. All pressure green. Temperature green. Airspeed alive. 50, 55. Alright. Delta Fox November XS now 1522 personnel, port VFR, just departure from SM Mulheim, current altitude is 1,800, request for flight information. Delta Fox November XS, say it again.
Report destination.
Delta Fox November XS destination will be SM Mulheim.
Copy. Squawk 7742 QNH 1028 radar contact 1800.
Squawk 7742 and QNH 1028.
It's less shaking than I was expecting.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So with this wind, landing and takeoff will be shaky. Otherwise, it's smooth.
Smooth. Okay.
We can climb to 2,500 or more. Let's go to 3,500. Okay, the aircraft is trimmed, is ready. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board our flight from SM Mulheim to SM Mulheim International. They call it SM Mulheim International, so let's call it SM Mulheim International. Let's Snake. Last time Shorty was like complaining about the catering on board.
Drink.
The catering. The catering.
So, okay.
He always said that the catering was scheiße. Aber ja, weil ich hab halt vergessen, dass von ihm etwas bringen. Oh ja.
Dankeschön.
Bitte.
Ja.
Ja, service on board is inclusive.
Ja, danke.
Bitte. So, see, we have about 1995, but because of the wind, our ground speed is 68. So we lose about 20 knots speed. Yeah, today is relatively windy.
But still it's fun.
It's fun, yeah.
Wenn ich Schmutti auf der Arbeit sehe, werde ich ihm sagen, was für ein fantastisches Catering wir hatten, okay?
Ja, nächstes Mal muss ich Kappe auch mitbringen.
Wasser?
Wasser oder Kappe.
Ja. Wie viel ist das umgerechnet jetzt in Stundenkilometer?
Boah, das ist Frage. Lass uns googeln.
120. Okay.
Good, happy?
Hm?
Happy?
Yeah, very.
So.
Echo Foxtrot November X-Ray, QNH Cologne 1030.
Delta Echo Fox November X-Ray, QNH Clone 1030. Thank you. Okay, are you ready?
I am.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, good. Let's do it again.
Delta Echo Fox on November X-ray, request to leave the frequency.
You may leave, score Vietnam.
Delta Fox on November X-ray, leave approved, score clear path, thank you so much, sir. I'm radio, Delta Echo Fox on November X-ray.
Delta Fox on November X-ray, Radio, hallo.
Delta Fox on November X-ray, hallo, Cessna 2 Personen on board, VfR lokal, bitte Landeinformation.
Delta November X-ray, die Piste 24, oder das so 1028. Bis jetzt sieht es recht gut aus, wahrscheinlich direkt an Flugpiste 24.
Delta Echo Fox on November X-ray, Business 24 und können Düsseldorf 1028. Wir marschen von Nord reinkommen.
Ja, Delta November ist so verstanden.
Okay, komm. Oh, bisschen windig? Okay.
Delta Fox on November X-ray, traffic information, 1 o'clock position, Cessna 152, approaching S. Mühlheim.
Delta Fox on November X-ray, looking for traffic, thank you.
Und der Deckhaus, Kappa Pipe, Verkehrsinformation, Evo-Position, Cessna 152, ja, ca. 1 Meile, angezeigte Flughöhe 1500.
Verkehrssicht, Delta, Ultra, Papa.
Super.
Delta Fox on November X-ray, traffic inside.
Delta X-ray.
Delta Fox on November X-ray, can I join the to right traffic pattern?
From my side, no problem, sir.
Thank you. Delta Fox on November X-ray, right base, runway 24.
Hello, X-ray.
Okay, we land around runway 24, no flaps. It's gonna be windy, so yeah.
Delta Echo Oststark, der Papa rechts, in den Rechtsliga, bitte Fluggeher, Ostlicher Verkehr. Delta Oststark, verstanden.
500.
Delta November X-ray, final runway 24.
Check, 190, 13 knots.
1913 knots. Okay. Good.
Die Delta Microtel geht in die Bahn. Delta Microtel, Cessna 172 jetzt Mitte rechter Gegend. Ja, okay, dann warten wir.
Ui.
Und ich korrigiere mich natürlich rechter quer. Ja, kein Problem.
Delta November X-ray, runway 24 vacated.
Thanks, November X-ray.
5. It was good. It was good, actually.
Yeah.
That wind, no flap.
Okay. Good training.
It was tricky. It was really tricky.
But you did it.
Did it?
Microtel geht in die Bahn. Delta Microtel, verstanden.
And I think you did it with it very well.
Thank you. Thank you.
It was a smooth landing.
Landing checklist. Pivot heat. Off. Transponder. Standby. Up. Takeoff. Lights now off. Time noted. Okay, thank you for watching this video and don't forget